Let's have this division. See, question number 1. Question 1 is written x minus 2 equal to 7. You have to find value of x. Okay. So I want x variable as a alone. So, fine. So for what we have to do? This is minus. With x, what is attached? Minus 2 is attached. So we have to write the opposite. What? Opposite?
Symbol.
No, number will be the same. Opposite integer value. This is negative, then it will be what? Positive. Positive to both sides we will add. Okay? Then minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. So x is equals to 7 plus 2 is how much? 9. So x value is how much? 9. Okay, beta?
Can you do another one?
Yes, this is the rule. I hope you remember. Minus will go to the other side. This is your LHS and this is your RHS.
Wait, hold on.
Written in LHS, it will go to the RHS, it will become what? Plus. If plus is written, it will go to the other side, it will become minus. If multiplication is there, it will go to the other side, it will become what? Division. If division is there, it will go to the other side, it will become what? Multiplication. Okay, bacha? Have you written it into notebook?
Yeah, I will. Can you just say that one more example?
Okay, bacha. Do it. See here. Question number 3. 6 is equals to z plus 2, right? Find the value of what? Z. What I said? If plus sign is there, it will go to the LHS side. It will become what? Minus. So plus 2 will become, if it will go to the LHS, it will become what? Minus 2 equal to z. So z value will be
4.
Clear, bacha?
Let me write that down.
Now do question number 2. It is
Wait,
same.
hold on.
Now see here.
Keep this away.
Question number 5. 6x is equals to 12. Find value of x. Okay. What I said? 6x means what? 6 times x is equals to 12. Right here?
Yes.
Now, if multiplication will be there, if the number will go to the other side, it will become what? Divided. So this will become what? X is equals to what? 12 divided by 6. Right, Bitu?
Yeah.
So 12 divided by 6 is equals to how much? 2. We can also write it as 12 fraction 6. So 6 times 1, 6 times 2. So x value is how much becomes? 2. Understood you?
I needed question number 7. No, yeah, question number 4. So I may have to do 4.
Question number 4 is the only addition. It will go to the other side. It will become what? Minus 2 by 7.
I'm confused on that though, so I need you to show me.
Okay, fine. Do it. First write this answer. Okay, I will send you the recording. No issue.
Okay.
See here. The question number 6. This is what? Multiplication question. But this is what? Division question. T divided by 5 is equals to 10. Find the value of what? T. If division will go to the other side, it will become what? multiplication.
That's just 5.
So 10 multiplied by 5. So G is equals
50.
to 50. Clear? Let's have question number 7. Here both things is happening. Here 2 is multiplied by x also. X is divided by 3 also. Two things are happening. Right? So let's do question number 7.
Yeah, give me a second.
It is what? 2 times x divided by 3 is equals to 18. 2 times x is what? 2x. Find value of x. Okay?
Yes.
First, it is your wish what first we will choose. Either multiplication or either division. I will choose first division. Okay? So x divided by 3. If division, it will go to the other side, it will become what? Multiplication. So it will become 2x is equals to 18 multiplied by 3. Okay? Now, 2 times x. The multiplication opposite is what? Division. So x is equals to 18 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. So 2 times 1, 2 9s are 18. X is equals to 9 times 3 is how much? 27. The correct answer is how much? X is equals to 27. Okay, bachcha? Now question number 12. Here, two things are happening. X divided by 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 divided by 15. Right? First one, addition will go to that side. It will become what? Minus. So x divided by 3 is equals to 7 divided by 15 minus 1. Now find the LCM. It will be what? 15. So 15 multiplied in numerator as well as denominator. So it will be 7 minus 15 divided by 15 equal to x divided by 3. Minus plus 7 minus 15 is how much?
-8.
Perfect answer. This is equals to negative 8 by 15. Okay? Is equals to x by 3. Now x will go, now 3 will go. X is 3 is what? In division part. The division will go to that side with multiplication. Right? So x is equals to negative 8 divided by 15 multiplied by 3. Right? So 3 ones are 3 5s are. So the x value is how much? X is equals to minus 8 by 1. And that is your answer. Here, Ritu?
Yeah.
Very good. Now, you have to complete all these questions as per your homework.
But you're giving me too much